Bravat wall-mounted, square shower set with valve mixer two-way concealed, in dark oil rubbed bronze. Product code, FS1063. The Bravat dark oil, rubbed bronze wall mount shower set, with thermostatic valve mixer, two-way concealed is one of the most trendiest finishes across decor styles in the bathroom. It has a contemporary style, with a beautiful dark oil, rubbed bronze finish. When it comes to new bathroom upgrades, FontanaShowers is offering shape, finishes and styles that you've looking for. Bravat wall-mounted, square shower set with valve mixer two-way concealed, in dark oil rubbed bronze features, brand name, FontanaShowers. Model number, FS1063 type, shower set and shower mixer style, contemporary. Type, fixed support type surface finish, dark oil rubbed bronze installation type, wall mount. Control type, single holder dual control shower head size, 7.91-11.85, 201-300 mm, surface treatment, polished. Valve core material, ceramic bath shower type, in-wall shower mixer valve type, ceramic valve. Faucet handle material, zinc alloy mixer body material, brass. Valve included, yes. Embedment depth, 2.16, 55 mm. Valve panel dimension, 6.29 x 6.29, 160 x 160 mm. Connector, G12B standard.